Okay, today we'll be opening up this Mobil 1 oil filter, number M1-110A, that I got from Walmart. And we'll be comparing it to this spoon oil filter, number ALL-15400-000. It's a lot of numbers there. That I got from a very generous viewer whose name is Ruben from Sacramento, California. Thanks, Ruben. These oil filters fit Ruben's 2008 Honda Accord LX. Yep, the one with the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, which now has 165,591 miles. And these two filters are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration. Okay, let's look at the Mobil 1. We'll start with the box. Protects for 20,000 miles. It says guaranteed. And right here, removes over 99% of contaminants. And if we look right there, efficiency rating based on removing particles greater than 30 microns. Okay, heavy duty filter. Right here it says contains synthetic fibers, so it's a synthetic blend media. And I'm not going to read all this. You could freeze it if you want. Okay, let's open this box up and see what this filter looks like. Date code F10502E1. And this is a sticker. Right here it says Made in USA. And instructions. Okay, and this filter has 8 inlet holes, metal core louvers, bypass valve at the dome end, 4 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket. It sticks out pretty good. Okay, and let's look at the spoon oil filter. So right here we got the filter number, and I'm thinking this is in Japanese. This is instructions, probably the same what it says down here. All right, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like. Date code 230526, and I got more instructions here. Doesn't say made in Japanese or made in Japan anywhere on this filter, but I'm sure that's where it came from. Okay, it's got this plastic covering over it. And this filter has 8 inlet holes, metal core with holes, bypass valve at the dome end, and looks like about 4 grooves there for threads. 4 or 5 actually. And it's got this O-ring style gasket. See how it sticks out. Yeah, they stick out about the same. You can see there's a big size difference here. Okay, let's get their weights. The Mobil, 244.1 gram. The spoon, 203.6 grams. All right, let's take these two filters, open them up, and see what's inside. Be right back. Okay, so here they are cut open. Here are the gaskets. I'll put the thickness of the gaskets up on the screen. They're both pretty similar in size, but this is like the O-ring style gasket. And base plates. You can see the holes, they equal out. Pretty much same size. Threads, same. Yeah, so I give these guys a tie. Okay, now you got silicone drain back valve on a Mobil, nitro rubber for the spoon oil filter. I think I'll do a burn test at this on this gasket just to see for the heck of it at the end of the video. But yeah, you got those guys. And you can see they would do a good job. It looks like they do a good job. Now filter on. We'll start with the Mobil. You got a metal crimp seam. And the Mobil has 55 pleats. They're nicely spaced. A little bit of a gap here, but that's not bad. Metal end caps, bypass valve right here. Unfortunately, I don't have a setting for that. A little bit of excess glue right here, but not too bad. And this is a synthetic blend media with a micron rating of 99% at 30 particles greater than 30 microns. Yeah, this all looks nice. Okay, now the spoon filter. Spoon filter has a coil spring, metal end caps. It also has some magnets, 2 magnets. Bypass valve right here, which also I don't have a setting for. You got a metal crimp seam. And the spoon filter has 67 pleats, 12 more pleats. And it has a micron rating of 98% at 50 microns. But I don't know what the filter media is made out of. It's probably a blend. Okay. Here's the coil spring and the spoon filter. And you can see magnet work in there. And the Mobil filter has this leaf spring. It's got a nice curve to it. And the cans. I'll put the thickness of the cans and the number of flutes and the width also up on the screen. So they're both they're pretty similar as far as thickness goes on the cans. The Mobil's a little bit thinner. Okay, so those look pretty good. Now let's get the width of these filters. So the Mobil, 2.70 minus 1/10 of an inch. Spoon filter, 1.78 minus 1/10 of an inch. So looking at these, I would think the Mobil's got more filter media, but you have more pleats on the spoon filter. So I don't know, could be close. What do you guys think? All right, let's open these two filters up, stretch them out, and see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, so here are both filters stretched out. And the Mobil filter is 46.5 inches long. The spoon filter is 52 inches long. Okay, now let's get the thickness of this filter media. It's the Mobil, 0.99 millimeters thick. This is a spoon filter, 0.81 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side, the back side. And if we take a look at these two filter medias under a microscope, you're going to see that the spoon filter's got a lot of light spots in it. So I don't think it would filter as good as the Mobil. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, it looks like the Mobil would do a better job of filtering. than the spoon filter. Probably get a better oil flow though with the spoon filter. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we went over all these components already. Base plate, gaskets, can, anti-drain back valves. The only thing we gotta look at is, gotta look at the louvers on this guy. The Mobil filter, let me get this light. Oh yeah, you can see that's opened up. Those are all opened up nice. Yep, no problem there. And obviously there's no problem here. Got holes. Let me put this light back on. There. Holes here. They're rough holes though. A lot of them though, so that's good. And like I said, I was gonna do a burn test on these guys. But before I even do the burn test, I'm gonna say between these two filters, I would pick the Mobil filter. You get 33 square inches more filter media with the Mobil filter. You know, the magnets on here are nice, but it's kind of like a gimmicky thing. You know, I'm sure they work, but it's kind of bad that it's right here next to the bypass valve. I mean, if stuff gets caught on here, I don't know. I guess it's a matter of opinion here, but. And for the cost, you can get two of these Mobil filters for the price of this one spoon filter. So let's get to these guys. Do a little burn test. And what I'll do is I'll burn the silicone one first, just to show how a silicone burns. And then we'll compare them. Should be a white ash with a white smoke. And it shouldn't light that easy, which is what it's doing. It's got a white smoke. I know you guys can't smell it, but this is, you know, it doesn't smell too bad. Now let's try the spoon filter. Yeah, I can hear it sizzling. It's black smoke. Black smoke's lighting right up. And it stinks. Oh boy, does it smell. Wow, it smells bad. So that's definitely nitro rubber. And again, I want to thank Ruben for sending me this spoon oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The Mobil filter media weighs 15.9 grams. The spoon filter media weighs 9.2 grams.